Hey everyone, another important tool that I use in my day trade, which is something I use heavily, and this is something I open pretty much the first thing in the morning when I'm starting to day trade, is this FinViz calendar. So this is essentially a economic calendar which tells you if there's a report coming up that can affect the market. So very interesting, very simple stuff, by the way. So for example, today, right, again, it shows you all the calendars, like all the upcoming events and stuff like that. For example, today is January 6th, right? So we got and also it actually tells you how important this report is, by the way. So the red means that it's pretty important, orange means that it's like average important, and then yellow means it's not super important, but obviously it's something to pay attention to. But again, look at this stuff, guys. So we got non-farm payrolls. Today was a very big day, by the way. Huge deal. Like, important reports came out, especially the payroll reports. Very important if you're day trading to fix the market. That's where you gotta have a calendar for yourself. You make sure I'm gonna leave a link to this in the resource section for yourself. But you want to have something like this. You want to pay attention. You want to see when these reports come out and keep an eye on them. Okay, so take a look. Non-farm payrolls, actually 256 was the prior, expected 210, actual was 223, so higher. Non-farm private payrolls, again, all this stuff, really an unemployment rate, which is very important, and it was lower than expected. So again, a lot of important stuff in this report, in this page. And again, if you want to be a day trader that is ready for all the potential events, you need to know what is going on, especially if you're trading something that is very related to this. For example, if you're trading ETFs, obviously ETFs are a package of a bunch of stocks, and these reports like this does affect ETFs. But for example, if I'm if you're trading something like a manufacturing stock and the ISM non-manufacturing reports come out, and it's like worse than expected, you definitely want to be careful, because then this is going to push it down, right? So you have to be careful with these things, and you want to make sure that you have a calendar like this in front of you at all times. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I just want to share this with you. I want to share one more tool with you, and then we're going to get into the good stuff, which is market moving events and also trading mindset and all that stuff. I'll see you in the next one, guys.